Morning, good evening guys. It's or good afternoon for 5 p.m. 4:05 p.m. September 1st. Today was NFP, non-farm payroll report, and sorry I couldn't do the videos from the last 2 days or 3 days. I was sick and I had a COVID, so now actually I'm feeling better. So today I'm going to do the video now, and Monday is a holiday, so Tuesday onwards regular videos. Okay. So today is NFP 8:30 a.m. So it's a news before open, and so downgrade your contract from mini to micro, and if you want to trade mini, then reduce your regular contract size in half. So this was the statement since last 3 days where I was not doing videos, but in pre-market notes this was the theme. Basically Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, today 3 days. So stay long above preferred buyers area. Below, some sellers might be active, but price has to go through backup buyers area in order for sellers to become super active. So in a way, above backup buyers area, buyers are in control in general. Break below that area, intraday you will see some selling, but NQ above 331, buyers are in control in general. So mid-term above 331 they are in control. Short term from last 3 days they are in control of backup buyers area. Okay. Now, but let's say price, now here is the thing. Look, let's say price spike up to 750 or 650, and you can see today's high was 650 and 661. That was our dream number, naked dream number. And so this idea was discussed in pre-market, right? So let's say price spike up there and then coming down during news time, right? Or so sure during news, so sure. Okay, so I'm saying here, if it is coming down from 650, so sure it is going to down. It is going to go down. I forgot the go here, and it can go down during day trading, right? But overall buyers are in control about 331. So equal to at any point between till it reaches 331. So 650 to 331, in between any point buyer can push it higher and trap sellers. So if you are experienced trader, then you can take advantage of this short from 650 down, right? And if you are not very experienced, then you will only look for longs above backup buyers area in both, and take profit at backup or preferred sellers area if you are short. See how it is written, totally different way today, and you can see the price action also. So if you follow the price, you will know what I am talking about here. And you can see it now. Dream number 510, 524. Okay, so now watch here, 650 right here, right, coming down. Sure, now remember pre-market note, it says sure it will go down, but above, this is a backup buyers area. Above, buyers are in control. Sure, 650 it will go down, but if you are experienced, you can take advantage of this short. But if you are not experienced, you are better off looking for longs. See, so now you understand. So now, so what NFP, there was a trade here, right here. So this area I gave it in Discord, exactly this same area. NFP low was around 556. Okay, right here. So I gave that area in Discord. Hold on, see here, 7:39 a.m. 551, 560 is the rotation area in overnight NQ. So keep an eye on that area. That area may do something. Basically it will move 100 or 200 points from this area, right? Now you look, this is the area right here, and below 556. Equivalent area in ES was 2325, which is this, our support, and you can see, right, you can see here. So it's during the news time, unless you are long ahead of the news or you have a limit order sitting here, it's hard to catch this from 556, right? But when you see touched bounce, you can go long at 575, 594. Those were the two longs. and there was a pullback also right here in 1 minute time frame. That was also a long. That was around 595 or so, you know. So those were the longs, right? Target 650, 661. That's it. Simple, you know. 650 was highlighted level, right, in the pre-market notes, which is, see, coming down during the news, right? So during the news, 650 hit, you are out and your day is over if you took this long, right? Now then we discuss in Discord about this 615, you know. So I said price is already building a balance before open, so there is a fair chance price will come down, touch here, and then it will do something. If it goes back up, it has to go back above 640. See, this time I gave 641 actually. I said draw line at 641, and I said draw line at 617 or 615, you know, and then I said watch. If it's break down, you know, then you don't want to see price going above 629 or 641. Okay, so here, so we were watching this price of the open, you know. So we didn't do anything here of the open. I already traded in the pre-market this long, right? Then see, this is a naked dream number. Dream numbers are very powerful. You can see that. See, this area held it to the T, right? So dream numbers are always powerful, you know. And this pink line was a dream number. This 510 was a dream number, and you can see it. Dream number here, touched it. See, the first time touched it, bounced it, right? Touched it, touched it, touched it, strong bounce. Dream number. See that? It's very powerful area. So here we were watching it. When price came down here first time, you know, in this candle, in a 1 minute time frame, you will see there is a red candle close here and there was a green candle. Okay, this is 2 minute time frame, that's why you don't see it. So price bounced from 618 or so, or 619. So I said it's a fear of missing out buying going on. So I said don't do anything. No, most likely price will come down. And then next thing you know, price came down, touched here. Then again it bounced, right? I said if it bounces, fine. It has to go through 629 or 641. Otherwise, you know, buyers would be trapped. And these sellers who sold it here, they could be trapped too if it goes higher. So I said watch. Then it touched 641, immediately came down. See, this was a sign here, you know, a short setup, you know, for the risk reward folks. You know, we discussed this in Discord also. So then it came down. So 617, that was my short right there. I didn't take it, but I said 617, I want to short it, but ES was holding above 41 at that time. You know, it was like still early in the morning, like 9:35 or so. But I said if you want to take it, 617 is the short. I am not taking because ES is holding 41. You know, if ES was down, let's say here, I would have shorted it. Okay, so that's why I said different arrow. But this was a very good short, you know, but I didn't take it. Okay, then price went down, right? And then it went down. But I also said if I would have taken this short, my target is 550, which is this, or 511 and 535. You know, so when price came down there, right, I said now you look for longs. So basically watch. Then 517 touch. I said watch 517, watch 511, and then it was like touching here, you know, and I was watching. I said 511, 517, you know, price even went through it all the way to 500. I said keep watching 517, 511. Now here I went long, right here. After 3 trial, you know, it couldn't go down, right? ES was touching 23, which is this NFP low, right? That's where the matching came. Now you go long, you know. So that's the long. I took it 550. I was out, right? And then again it came down 535. I was watching. So this was a ISM manufacturing news or something right here at 10 o'clock. So I took the long before 10 o'clock. before 10 o'clock even I was out, right here. Then during 10 o'clock price went down and it touched here and bounced and closed here. Then it was 535 was the level, 535, 517, 511. So here it couldn't go below 535, right? So there was a long here, and then target was 592, 595, that area, or 611 to 617. Those were the two targets. So I already said that before, even by taking this log I said 592, 595. That's the first one. Then I was watching ES also at the same time. It was around 1014, so which is this. So I said ES I wanted to go to 36 and then 41. So so you're watching it. When NQ touch 592, ES touch 41, perfect exit, call it a day off. That's it. After this you call it a day off. Okay. So see, I didn't take any shorts, even though I know when to see all my exit. I could have taken a long also for shorts, and for long all exit would have been short. See, timely exit, exit down, exit down. See that? Then there was also one more long. Let me see if I can pull it out from this code. See, this is what we talked about it, right? Did I say that, right? That in the risk score we discussed this. Price is building a balance. So if NQ breaks below 616, which is this, right? The time is 9:15 before open. Then watch 629 after that. It has to hold below in order to go down, right? And then I also say keep a line at 640 as well, which is this line. See that? Now, hold on. Let me pull it out some more information. There was another piece of information. Now here. So these are all my trades. All these trades I showed it here. Now here also you can say 1054, right? So 1054, 491, 494, and ES 17, right? So 1054, which is right here. When price was here, I said most likely 491, 494. Immediately after that, sell off. So here 1054. Price was here 23. Immediately sell off, 17 touch to the T. See? So not before the fact, not after the fact. Okay. And then rotate back up considering long weekend, right? And here I said there you go, 17 touch, this touch, right? Then most likely 11:46 a.m. is right around here. I said most likely final stretch for sellers and good opportunity for buyers to play long now or look for a pause to go long. If NQ can manage to go back above 505 after whatever it stops going down in the next few minutes, and then I said 505 now, right? So 11:46, which is this 11:46, right? Then I said look for pause. See, this is a pause, this is a pause, final stretch, sellers done, long. Then because of this down move, you can't just hold for reversal, right? You have to take a profit, dream numbers, ideal place, so that means yes, this area, right? And then you can hold it if you want, or call it a day off, simple, and then you can see it anyway, it's ping pong, right? But this area became the low of the day, see that? And this area became the high of the day. Both the area I called out, So that be all for today. I'll see you tomorrow or Monday, actually not Tuesday.